Let's pump up to this guy. You going to bike night? You going to the bike night? Cool. What up? Thank you.
I go by Shy Goonie.
Oh yeah?
I make music.
Cool.
I got Goonie socks on right now.
Oh shit! Damn. Alright. We're gonna do Goonie wheelies for her. Alright, we're gonna do some wheelies for you. That's funny. Now what do I do now? Do I keep talking?
Goonies never say die! 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 First you gotta do the trunk shuffle. Come on! Trunk shuffle. Trunk shuffle. Do it!
Look at all these places that closed, man. Look at that. That could be the Goonies headquarters right there. Where are the Groms at? There's some. What's up, man? I like your armpit here. What's up, man?
I was just telling, bro, you made my son's day today.
With the video? I was like, I'm gonna try to get it out before the ride tomorrow.
He saw it, he's like, he calls me, he's like, Dad, you posted it 30 minutes at the end.
That's awesome, man. All right, we're gonna take a break, walk around, see what we got here. We'll pick it up once we're ready to go. What the fuck is that, Lewis?
I know it's what.
What is that, Lewis?
I never wore it yesterday.
What is that, Lewis?
I knew you said that.
Slow Fast Crew? We're gonna have one less Goonies in our club. All right, welcome to Tiny Tuesdays, Goonies / Slow Fast Crew. It smells like the devil's cabbage over here. I just realized that's Lewis's old clapper. That thing does not look healthy. All right, there's Lewis's old Grom. Chase, who was riding that clone Grom that broke down on that last ride, is now riding this clapper. So roll the dice. We'll see if the Honda's better. I think it will be.
Do it! First you gotta do the trunk shuffle. Come on! Trunk shuffle. Trunk shuffle. Do it!
There we go. Shit, Rob, go. Right there. We'll connect to Hector. Hector.
Oh my god.
What up, homie?
Why you gotta do that to me every time?
I don't know. Just the way I live my life. I messed up my shift to third. Oh no! I messed it up again. That's so embarrassing. Alright, pulling the double peggers again. It's too early for this. This road sucks. We'll just start this video a little bit further down the road. Like, yo, don't turn. Yo, you can't turn around. When you turn around, the wind noise from Messina.
Oh, okay. You said don't turn around.
Don't turn around.
See if I can go on and go, but don't turn around.
I don't want to hear your heart breaking. Don't turn around. There's the Grumps. They can turn around. Oh shit. Woo! Tiny Tuesdays! Dude, I love that we're doing this shit now. It's all on the hips, bro. It's all on the hips. Fuck them. They see that hip movement, they don't want none of that sauce. Well, I'm not using my hips now. Now I'm using them. Look. Oh yeah, that guy's got a great stash. I'm gonna try to hit third on this one. We should get it right after this one. I'm watching this green light right here. It's green, yellow. Okay, yellow, and red. Go. Just get ran over. I can do the hips on this one. You're doing the hips? The hips don't lie, Shakira. Shakira.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad.
Oh my god,
I did it! Oh, I can't do it. I got tired.
I'm on tonight.
Rob, you're doing amazing, bro. You're doing amazing. You're doing good. You're doing a good job. God damn it, rookie. I'm trying to be an adult today. Oh my god. Damn. That shit escalates quick. Yo, I just went to kick his brake lever and I fucking kicked his fingers. Like literally his fingers were like this. I just booted the shit out of everything in the bars of my foot. Oh shit. You got a white wall. Ah! One starts and everyone starts. Look what you started. I know, they're so stupid. Don't let anyone do a burnout at my fucking funeral. You say no. he going? Joel, look at Joel. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, doing all them stunt lots. He's getting good at some street wheelies. Come powering up in second. Damn, look at them shoes. Are those real diamonds? Hey, those diamonds? No? Damn, those are nice. I'm gonna try third. Ah, I got it. That took a hell of a balance. Holy shit. We gotta turn. We gotta turn.
Turn. Everybody turn.
I guess we'll go up here. There, we're gonna go. Rob, you were doing so good. You were doing so good.
Oh shit. Someone fucking looked.
Did they loop?
He almost did.
Oh, don't count if they almost do.
He did those wheelies and he came sideways and then it hurt me.
I blame you. Still your fault. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures going downtown. Oh no, that's not focusing. I let my camera out the Rookie Rebel for a video shoot, and I think he messed with shit.
Oh, you got that.
Oh,
Oh shit.
all right, get it, Hector. Come on. I'm trying to, but go forward.
My ass. Literally, take a picture of my ass.
I'm trying to get the Goonies, but it's not working out.
I see a shadow behind my ass. The shadow or whatever.
Uh-huh.
You taking a picture?
I was.
Yeah, boy, that's like you're a creep.
I am creeping, bro. I'm trying to creep on that Goonies shirt.
Oh my god, I'm turning everywhere.
You're horrible. I'm leaving you. Nate's up here doing chicken wings. He don't care if I'm taking pictures of his ass. Actually, he's sitting on his ass, so.
Oh no, it was a shadow I saw.
That's your shadow of bending over, though.
Yeah, that's the issue.
So self-conscious of your ass.
Oh my god, I got wheelies.
Damn, someone needs to put on some deodorant.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Tell me how to live my life, Hector. Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh my god, it's working.
Ah, I love that spot. That spot's so nice. It's so nice to be back with this camera. This camera's so easy to take pictures with. Alright, downtown, some photos. Tiny Tuesday. Come on, Blake, do something. It's just so dusty and shit in there.
Oh my god, he's doing it.
He's doing it with the girl?
Oh shit, they fell.
Oh,
See if I have a GoPro.
are they good?
Yeah, they fell.
Alright, come on. We'll stop up here. Can you stay with them? Are you back there? Alright, just stay there. We'll stay at the stoplight. Let me know when they start rolling. What's up, man? Hey, hold on, Rob. Someone fell.
Y'all going to the parking lot again tonight?
Which parking lot? That one? Oh, to do the wheelies and stuff? Maybe. I think they were trying to wheelie.
And they were doing a tandem one for a second. And he like pancaked sideways to the right.
Oh, okay. You good?
I wish I had that
Fucking that shitty ass road fucking, it just yanked us.
Yeah. Hector told me. He's like, they fell. I was like, no. Alright, go.
There's a Honda, last runner, it's great.
Rickie's trying to pull some gilfs.
Huh?
Trying to pull some gilfs. Spring break! Woo! I mean, because they're like old women down in Florida, so it's like their spring break, you know? Shut up, Hector. Don't make sense with me, bro. Just let it happen. You ready for some street scrapes? Are they still close? Hector told me you were too close. Quick little break at the marathon. Oh my God. Is that a Volvo? And gas up, and then we'll pick it back up on the road. Poof.